Hey chat, just got a 5.5 pounder, or 4.5 pounder, my bad, on the 12-inch Zoom Old Monster. This fish fought extremely hard, got me entirely soaked. Watch him do it again. Yep, hauled it. Ran right into the kayak. Let's freaking, we're having a really good day out here. If you guys haven't already, go check out the video. As you guys can see, I'm recording on the GoPro right now. We've caught 3 fish so far, so definitely I do recommend go checking out the video. We're fishing with a 12-inch worm.